Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to WhatsApp without saving number. So for that, firstly you have to make sure that you have the number to whom you want to WhatsApp. The next step is to find WhatsApp from your phone and open it. Once you have opened your WhatsApp, find the green button with plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and click on it. This option helps to locate the contact to whom we want to WhatsApp. Since our number is not currently saved, so firstly we have to go and click on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. And now in the search bar, type the number to whom you want to WhatsApp. Once you type the number in the search bar and search for it, you can get the number. Tap on the chat option. Now you can easily WhatsApp, send photos, videos or other stuffs. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.